Hello and welcome to Softwash UK. We are here to help start, support, and grow exterior cleaning businesses here in the UK. My name is Mark Cave. I am the founder of Softwash UK, and I also run a successful cleaning business franchise, Mr. Clever Clean. Today I'm going to share with you some essentials for setting up a successful business in this dynamic and rewarding service-based industry. Step 1. Market research. Understand your local market. Who needs exterior cleaning services? Homeowners, businesses, public facilities. Identify your potential clients and understand their specific needs. It's not just about cleaning windows and patios, it's about understanding what your clients value, be it reliability, eco-friendliness, or quick service. Step 2. Services and pricing. Decide on the services you'll offer. Will you specialize in roof cleaning, patio and driveway cleaning, or a bit of everything? Price your services competitively, but don't undersell your skills and the quality of your work. Remember, the right equipment and cleaning solutions like sodium hypochlorite for tough stains are crucial. Avoid using substandard products like washing up liquid. Clever Wash soft washing surfactant is engineered specifically for seamless compatibility with sodium hypochlorite. Step 3. Legal and financial setup. Get your business registered. Understand the local regulations, insurance needs, and health and safety standards. Set up a business bank account and consider how you'll manage your finances. A solid business plan is your roadmap. It helps in securing financing, if needed, and keeps you focused on your goals. Step 4. Branding and marketing. Develop a strong brand identity, a catchy name, a logo, and a unique selling proposition. Utilize online platforms, social media, and local advertising to reach your audience. Networking is key. Connect with local businesses, attend community events, and always leave a lasting impression with your professionalism. Step 5. Equipment and training. Invest in quality equipment. Understand how to use biocides safely and effectively, especially when dealing with challenging stains like black lichen or black spots on patios. Training is vital, not only in cleaning techniques, but in understanding the chemistry behind products like sodium hypochlorite and why pre-wetting surfaces is not recommended unless protecting adjacent areas. Step 6. Operational efficiency. Develop efficient workflows. Plan your routes to save time and fuel. Keep track of your jobs, customer feedback, and financials for continuous improvement. Being organized is not just about having a tidy van, it's about maximizing your day to serve more clients and reduce downtime. Step 7. Growth and scaling. As your business grows, consider expanding your services or area coverage. Keep an eye on industry trends and adapt to new technologies or methods. Think about hiring staff or subcontracting when demand increases. Train your team in the values and methods that have made your business successful. Step 8. Sustainability and environmental responsibility. Use eco-friendly products and practices. Educate your clients about the benefits of sustainable cleaning methods like Safe Wash. Its organic ingredients are non-hazardous, non-corrosive, and non-toxic. Being environmentally responsible is not just good for the planet, it's good for business. Clients appreciate a company that cares. Starting an exterior cleaning business can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. With the right approach, you can build a successful and sustainable business. Thank you for joining me in this video. Here's to your success in the exterior cleaning industry.